Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third Sudoku, third puzzle of this additional in today's newspaper on Tuesday, February the 16th, 2021. We have two Sudokus left, two puzzles left, one tectonic, and one binary. All right. First, I will solve this binary puzzle. So, let me solve this baby. Alright, this will be number 2337. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 O's and 4 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between two ones comes an O, between two O's comes an 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. We have here now 4 1s in this column, so the rest are O's. Alright, between two 1s comes an O. We have now 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Alright, double O, here one, there one. We have now 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. We have here now 4 1s, so the rest are O's. We have here 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are O's. So, sorry, this should be a 1. Made a mistake. Now I have 5 O's. This is not correct. Okay. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Alright. This should be a 1. 1, 2, 3. This is number 1. Double one, here no, there no. Then we need to compare. Well, if I compare with this column, this one and that one, we have 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. So we need 1. Yeah, we need 1, 1. And I cannot place it here, otherwise we have identical columns. So this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. Alright. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two 1s comes an O. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Then, yeah, this column and that column. Sorry, this row and the last row. Yeah. 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. Empty box. So we need to switch those two digits. We have a 1 there. This should be an O. We have an O there. This should be a 1. Now we have 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Now we have 4 O's in this column, so the rest are 1s. Okay. And now Do we? Yeah. This column and the second column. Oh. 1, 1, 1, 1. Oh, empty box, 1, 1. So we need to switch those two digits. With a O there, this should be a 1. With a 1 here, this should be an O. Yeah. Now we have double O here, 1 there, 1. And between two ones comes an O. Finish in 5 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. Great binary puzzle. Yes, I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will continue with the last puzzle, a tectonic one with 4 stars in a minute. So I will see you later. Prepare for the last one. See you then. Bye bye for now.